Okay, this video is going to go over the intervals in which our function's increasing and decreasing. The key thing to keep in mind, basically increasing is when we're going up, so it's like increasing like this, and decreasing is when we're going down, so when it's kind of sloping down like that. And we read it from left to right. And just like positive and negative intervals, our answers are in terms of x, but we're looking at the graph kind of in terms of y. So like increasing is like, okay, when the y values are getting bigger, but then when we go to write our answers, we look at it in terms of x. Okay, so I'm going to pretend you start all the way to the left. So pretend like you have a little u over here, okay? Okay, when you're all the way over here starting on the graph, you got to remember this graph keeps on going on to the end of time. So you start on the graph, you're going to start by moving up. So you're going to start by increasing. The x value way over here, it touches all the negative x's, so you're at negative infinity. And then you're walking all the way up to here. Well, this is the point that you go from increasing and then you switch to decreasing. The x value there is negative 4. So then you start decreasing, you start at negative 4, and then you decrease all the way down here. X value wise, even though this is pointing down, it's covering the positive x's over here. So it goes to infinity. Okay? That usually trips up some people. Even though it's pointing down, you might think a negative infinity. Remember, these answers are in terms of the x values. Okay, try this one on your own for increasing, decreasing, and then come back and see how you did. Okay, welcome back. So now, the farthest left point is up here. So there you are. Okay, you're start by going down, so you're going to start by decreasing. The arrow shoots off, so you're at negative infinity. You go all the way down, decreasing, decreasing. Okay, then here is when you flip. The x value there is negative 2. And then you flip to increasing. And then you increase all the way off into infinity. And remember, it's infinity because it's covering the positive x's over here. Okay. Okay, let's try 2 more. Okay, try these 2 out, pause the video, come back and see how you did. Okay, welcome back. So for this one, you're kind of starting right here. Well, the x value there is negative 4, and you start by going down, so you start by decreasing. Decrease, you're going all the way. Well, you never really turn around and come back up. So you go to infinity, because you touch all the positive x's. Since you never really come back up, there is no increasing. Okay, because you're constantly going down on this, like, picture like a hill, you're going down the whole time. Okay, this one. So here you are up here. You start by going down, so you start by decreasing. You start at negative infinity. You decrease, you come all the way down here. Now be careful here, though. Some people like to put a negative 8 here, but negative 8 is talking about y. You want to talk about x. The x value here is 0. And then from 0, you go off to infinity for increasing. Okay, hopefully that helped. Boom.